Hi girls, so I am collaborating with Philips Lumea. I want to share a little story. So last year, or was it, I think it was over a year ago actually, I saw a post that Huda Beauty did and she swore by this little machine, for areas like your face, underarms, bikini, and I was like, oh my god, this is so convenient. I won't need to go get my laser done at a clinic every month, and I could just do it at home. So I went out and I bought it, and it's so crazy that now I am actually collaborating with them. This is really cool. I'm gonna do a little unboxing and talk a little more about it for you girls. Okay, so of course you get all the instructions and everything inside, and on the box here it says you apply every 2 weeks for 4 to 5 treatments, and then the unwanted hairs start to fall out, and then you repeat the treatments every 4 to 8 weeks. Also, it's really cool that it measures your skin tone. Something else also that I haven't tried, but I'm definitely going to download the app. It's really cool that you get a personalized treatment schedule and reminders and tips and tricks. So that's really cool. I'm going to add these stories to my highlights, and we're going to go through this home laser journey together.